channel. Today I have an unboxing to do with you. I ordered the Mikayla X GlamLite collection. So it came in the mail and we are gonna open up this bad boy together. I am so excited. I've never tried anything from Glamlite, so I don't really have anything to compare it to any of their past products or current products, but I am really excited to try this because it looks so pretty online and they are so affordable. So I just went and I got the whole entire collection. So let me open this box up. Oh, I wanted to introduce everybody to Snowy. He is my scissor man of choice. He's with me through all holidays, but I decided to carry him through the entire year and just use him all the time because we didn't really have a holiday, and he makes me happy every time I use him. So that's a Snowy. Say hi to everybody. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let's see. So we got some bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. Let me just take this one packaging out. I'm like on a lavender kick lately, so this is calling to me. Look at that. Beautiful lavender with silver glitter. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is what the lip set comes in. Look at that, how pretty. Okay, so there's that. Then I think this is what the press highlighter. And the two lashes. These guys are huge. Look at that. So we've got brand new. And we have code orange. Okay, so, and then we have the piece, oh. The palette. Look at how beautiful. I don't want to get rid of this packaging. Look at how beautiful she is. Oh, look at how pretty. I'm gonna recreate that look. Mikayla. Let's see what the actual palette looks like. I hope it has this same packaging as the outer packaging. I'm so excited I can't speak. Oh my gosh, I knew I had this. Oh my gosh, like how fun is that? How fun. Yes, yes, yes. That's so nice. I love it. This mirror though is on steroids. Buffalo chicken. Look at how pretty these shades are. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm so glad I got this. I mean, okay, so when I look at a palette, this is what I see, right? So if you just look at this, I already dug my finger into it. If you just look at that, I mean, that's a beautiful everyday. If you just, I wish I knew how to block this out. If you just look at these four, beautiful. Or just these four. Or if you just look at the row above the box, that's gorgeous. Or even if you look at this row all by itself right here, beautiful. Or if you just look at like just these four right here, these four, that's a little quad. I mean, the possibilities are endless. These are beautiful. I absolutely love. I don't know about you, but I am. This is so nice. I can't wait to see how these perform. And then we've got the highlighter. I'm not like a big on highlighter, but I mean, this whole collection is beautiful. Come out wherever you are. I am. Same packaging as the outer. Ooh, this is pretty. That's it right there. Look at that. This would be a beautiful, beautiful, even if this is too much for you, like an inner corner highlight. Oh, so universal. It's not yellow. It doesn't have a bunch of yellow in it. It's pretty neutral. If anything, it'd be leaning more towards champagne-y, but it's pretty neutral so that it would go with a lot of things. Okay, what else do I have? The lip set. Okay, let's see what this is. Lip set. These guys are big. These are like some big lippies. So I've got 3 in here. I have no idea what they are. Literally. Are we all glosses here? Let's check it out. Okay, so first we have what looks like the one that is clear, has no color whatsoever, and that is this guy right here. Ooh, it feels like a lip oil. That seems like it'd be comfortable. None of them have names. Not even on the outside packaging. This one has more of a like a champagne, a clear champagne, and it feels like a lip oil. I would put it on my lips, but I feel like my lipstick's gonna catch. And then this one looks like it may have some pigment. Yes, it does. And there's that one right there. So this is the only one that has pigment. They feel like a lip oil. Let's try this guy on. I don't really care if I get color in there because this feels like a lip oil. I wish it would say what it is. Is it a balm? Is it a gloss? It feels like a lip oil. I could see myself putting this on like all the time, even at home, as a chapstick or lip balm replacement. They're clear, comfortable, super cute. Who doesn't want to like pull this out of their purse and put it on? Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so as an homage to the one and only Tati Westbrook from Glamlite Guru, I'm gonna be swatching this palette on my arm just because, I mean, it's a genius and I have arm space like no other. So I'm gonna be swatching this palette on my arm for you guys. And I wish does this go all the way back? No. So I was swatching on this side, but which would be easier, but I've got my COVID shot. So I'm gonna be swatching on this side for you guys. So okay, so first off, I want to just go into the brights, but I'm going to be doing from left to right. So I've got Harley, How Ya Doing, Gemini, and What's Pop. Let me just, What's Popping is super soft because I put my finger and it just like sunk in. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What's Poppin' is super soft. Okay, so we've got Harley. We've got How You Doing. We've got Gemini. And we've got What's Poppin'. What's Poppin' is very soft. Wow, I do horrible swatches. It doesn't help that I'm like super tan. I can't believe that I dug into that palette. Oh my god, look at the damage. Okay, so that guy's soft. We've got Hot Cocoa and Willow to finish off the row. So we've got Hot Cocoa and Willow. Okay. And then we have, oh my god, Okay. Fudge. Fudge, I did it to glow up. Okay, so these glittery shades are so soft. Ugh, I'm so mad. I don't want these to mess up. So that is, oh, they're beautiful. Okay, so you gotta really be soft with the glitter shades because I'm literally, it's almost like a ColourPop Super Shock. But if you go into it hard, not knowing, like you barely need to tap into the glitters. Like barely, barely. You do not need to be, all of the glitters are like that. So we've got Simba, we've got Accent, and we have Buffalo Chicken, and we have Manifest. Okay, to finish that row we have Cookie. I am barely just tapping on these shadows. That is Cookie. Okay, so we have Iconic, we have Simping, Immaculate, and MJ. Okay, New Beige, and we have Nas. The Best Color, Bonehead, Stunnin', in Portuguese. See that extra? It's because I dug in a little too hard. Even going soft, I still got a big chunk of it. Have Pot 2 and Roadie. These colors though, I mean, come on. This is beautiful. Okay, last row on the arm. Okay, so we have Audrey, Freetown, and Loop. Have Handy, Frisky, and Mass Hole. That color's from something earlier, so, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got Audrey, Freedom, Loop, Handy, Frisky, and Mass Hole. Super beautiful colors. Oh my god, I am in love. Definitely I highly recommend going in soft. Look at the damage I did to those cream shadows or the glitter shadows. I mean, they go on so pigmented with your fingers. So I can only imagine with the brush, you probably just only need to use, you won't have to go for anything other than a brush to get your glitters on. They're just really soft, very soft. So I highly recommend, if you're gonna go on with your finger, go in light-handed because you don't need much. And that's all I have for today. Thank you for joining me as I unbox this collection. This was a birthday gift to myself, so I hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know down below what you liked the most out of this collection. Don't forget to say hi to me down there, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.